4.5 down. 5.5 down. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. Blue, we're breathing again. Thanks a lot. I'm going to step off the limb now.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. Okay, stand by there, Dane, we're looking.
Blue, we're breathing again. Thanks a lot. I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ooh, this will be crazy, and I'm crazy to do it. I have just a little time to try it. Chris Green can't, and Starguy can't as well, from Florida and from Texas, because of the weather. I have kind of good weather here, but I have just a little short window. I have my refractor with a virtuoso mount outside, the solar setup. We'll try right away. It can be a fail, yes, it can be a fail. Let's try to capture the asteroid.
2024 ON.
Tension. Tension here. Okay.
Finding coordinates of the asteroid. Super nervous here. Tension.
Inserting coordinates. Preparing spaceship. Moving telescope. Telescope pointing to the next position of the asteroid. Should be passing here in a few minutes. Position achieved. Increasing gain. The asteroid should be visible, if coordinates are correct, in a moment. Waiting for the asteroid. Few minutes to go. Pointing near Sagittarius constellation. Few minutes to go. Wish me luck, guys. Three minutes to go. Two minutes to go. Two minutes to go.
Altitude, velocity, light. 8.5 down. 220 feet.
1 minute to go. Few seconds to go. Waiting for the asteroid to pass. We are on 37 latitude. The asteroid should be very low. Waiting for the asteroid. Few seconds to go. Should be passing. Inserting new coordinates. Moving telescope. Trying to left stack for better results. Few seconds to go.
Not seeing the asteroid. Not watching anything. Maybe it is very faint for this telescope. Let me try again. Okay, time. Could be very faint for this telescope that I'm using, but it's the only one I can. I will insert the coordinates again. This is a star. So it should, the star was here to here, so it should be here on this area. Should be here. I will live stack. Should be here. Can be faint. Can be too faint. I'm using an infrared filter to see if I can watch it better. Not sure if it's the best choice, but I decided to do like this. Okay, so it's moving slowly. I should be patient. Yes, we will have the lunar eclipse next week. That one will be easy. This one is the hardest one with a small telescope we have. Pointing because it's super low and at a position that I can't use the big telescope. We were supposed to have Starguy and Chris Green, but the weather is bad and this requires good weather. We will see, we will see. Tension here. No significant sun flares today. This blue line and the red here are hot pixels. Forget it. It's not that. It's from the camera. What we want to see is something like these stars, but moving. It can be because it's very faint. It can be. I'm trying to live stack this region so we can trap it. But I'm not seeing it, man. Yes, I have the right coordinates. This has almost 15 magnitude. Actually, it has 13.37. Very faint. It's the first time I try with this small telescope. I think it doesn't have the power. Otherwise, we should be watching already some movement here. Let me see if I can... this. It's not the first time we do this here. To trap it, we should be able to see it moving, doing a trace. Then we could watch it without stacking. It's a shame I don't have a bigger telescope in the good position for this. It's a shame. The other live asteroid we could, me and Asteroid, we could capture it. But this time, and it was with a 12-inch Dobsonian, not this small telescope. It's very faint. You see, with the infrared we can see better, but I can't see it, man. Let me see if I'm with the correct time, because I think I'm UTC +1. Yes, I am. It's all correct. It's all correct here. And it should be here. If I insert new coordinates, it should be here. Man. Well, I told you it could be a fail. Oh. If I fail this one, I will never do it again with this telescope. At least with such a faint object. Yes, I solved it. Let me see if it's correct. Plate solve. The star is here. Jeez, man. Error. Okay, plate solved. Synchronizing. You see? It's there, man. No, those colors are hot pixels. It's called. It's from the camera. It's something that is an aberration from the camera. And if I insert, you see this star, it will not move too much. We should be able to watch here, but it should be faint. I will try one more time. I'll try one more time. So... ...2024 ON. Yeah, it's correct, man. It's correct. Everything is correct. It's not the problem. Okay, inserting coordinates. Okay, it's there. I'll do 8 seconds. All or nothing. Should do like a trace. Yeah, it's cool, but I prefer to not to fail. Well, sometimes I fail. Come dot pixels again. I was careful about the stacking algorithm as well. Everything is fine, except try 2 seconds. 4 seconds. No, no, naked eye you can't. Yes, from my location. Everything is correct. I double checked, triple checked. No, he's not late. It's really the power of... it's very faint. It's very faint. Besides, I have light pollution, everything. It's really low at south, more or less. We should be able to see something small, but instead of being like these stars, these are stars. It will do like a trace, you know? Maybe down like this. I'll put more gain. Crank it up. Full gain. It's too much gain. Man, I wanted so much to watch this guy. No, we couldn't yet. Yeah, should be tiny white speck, yes. Yes, I am, Chris. I am in the right settings with everything. It's really the power that I can't do anything about it. I'm using an infrared to pop everything. If SharpCap could identify it, will be easier. We could shorten the real estate here, no? But I think he can't. Let me see. I think he can't. No. That should be a good thing to do on SharpCap. Yeah, I thought in place a 6-inch, but I have no time. It was very fast, my decision. I saw the message of Starguy from Starguy on Discord saying that the weather is bad. I knew already, Chris, that you had bad weather, so I decided, okay, I will not do anything, so I will try myself as I'm having a more or less clear view. I have my telescope over the shed. I didn't connect the camera. The camera is covered. I was fast, but I did everything right, man. I'm double checking everything, but everything is right. But the asteroid, it's faint, and probably it's the problem that we have tonight. And so, lesson learned about using this telescope for faint objects, because with a 12-inch I could watch, and I can. That's the power of the bigger telescope, the Dob. I couldn't place the 8-inch as well because the equatorial platform is being used, and I don't want to grab the 12-inch. Don't want to jeopardize my back issues being solved. Not this. This yellow should not be. No, no, no. Maybe. Can it be this? No, no. Hot pixels. A clip. But if it was moving, live stacking would make it pop better. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's very hard. Look at how many stars with this telescope. It's very hard. I'm using the 294 camera. Only these stars. I'm increasing exposure. I'll put 30 seconds. See what happens. Very faint. Very faint this one. I have a bigger one to wait to October. No, this is the drift, because I'm using 30 seconds. I'll try to live stack 30 seconds to see if this can pop. $30. $30 seconds. Too much for this mount. Well, I will do the sun, not now. Nothing happened different from the last X flare. We'll do probably tomorrow the solar. Never again. With this telescope, I will never again try to chase an asteroid. It's for the sun. And it's too late to Let me see the altitude. Yes. 22. I could try the Virtuoso. It has a bigger aperture, but I think it will be the same. It's very faint. Let's see. Yeah. Guys, I will not waste your time. When I can, I can. When I fail, I fail. I will finish this live stream. I will see you tomorrow on... Man, it's such a bad feeling. I will see you tomorrow. I will delete this. I will see you tomorrow on... Maybe tomorrow. It depends on the weather and more things. On Solar. On Solar. And then... If not, on Thursday, no, Monday, Tuesday. On Tuesday, on the eclipse. It will be late in the night, and then we will have for sure opportunity with Chris Green, Star Guy, and me. We will be... It's 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1:30 a.m. here, UTC +1. So time of London. Yeah, I tried. It happens. It's to forget. Now I will focus on the eclipse. Probably it will be that. If anything happen interesting in the solar activity, now they have the models already. What we said in the live stream, it's happening. So now they are validating that. They have new models and an impact, a lateral impact on Earth. We'll see how it goes, and for tomorrow, I think. And if something happen, I will do an emergency solar. If not, Tuesday will be a long night with the solar eclipse, okay? Yes, real astronomy. real. Well, I will delete this. Thank you very much, man. And sorry, man. I tried. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the eclipse.